Hello guys, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So I hope I'm clearly audible and visible to all of you. So quickly join in so that we can start our today's discussion. All right. So how are you guys? कैसे हैं सब लोग? All good. Audio and video is perfect from my side. Okay. So we have Pooja ma'am here, Sujit sir, and Vinod sir, Jyoti ma'am, Indra ma'am, and other also. Very good evening. Ishan sir, Shashank sir. सब बढ़िया है ना? All good. Audio and video is fine from my side. Okay, just allow me 1 minute. इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है? Why so silence, guys? All good. चलो तो shall we start? Very good evening, Vinod sir. So guys, in this particular session we are going to start with our module B. Tanvay sir, how are you? Yes, हाँ. चलो तो guys, in this particular session we will be starting with our module B. So module B, today we will be targeting 4 to 5 units आपका, ठीक है, till 750 or 740. Then in next session we will be targeting आपका remaining one. So when it comes to module B, it is similar to your PPB, ठीक है. So यहाँ पे as you can see the topic also, customer requirements, this is bit different. Product development process, this is also different. Credit ratings or credit scoring, sorry, that we have discussed. Retail liability product, then we have important retail asset product, ठीक है, liability and asset product. Credit and debit cards, remittance product, then we have digitalization of banking products, a role of AI, a recovery of retail loans, management information system, and securitization. All the topic apart from the first two topic, all the topics they are generally from your आपका PPP, ठीक है. Okay, हाँ, no worries. तन्मय sir, you can watch the recorded one, ठीक है. हाँ, please do watch the recorded. And what is your score? I just missed, and somebody who texted me on the आपका for this कौन मेरे को text किया था यार बात करने के लिए, ठीक है. So those who have like any queries and others, I got lots of queries on application. I need some time, so just after that, once I'll get free now, so if you have something urgent, you can directly call me without any hesitation, ठीक है. And if there is something around the strategy and all, so we can connect आपका, ठीक है. हाँ बिल्कुल. तन्मय से आप ही ने मैसेज किया था क्या क्लास के बाद बात करने के लिए कुछ? हाँ, स्टिल यू आर इन गेम, यू आर डूइंग गुड. हाँ एक्चुअली 49 प्रोग्रेसिव, ठीक है. द चार्ट इज प्रोग्रेसिव इन योर केस, ठीक है. कुछ जगह जिग जैग भी आपका हुआ है, ठीक है. तो now first customer requirements, ठीक है. So here one question definitely you'll see around the Maslow's hierarchy of need. I hope you guys are aware about this Maslow's theory आपका, ठीक है. Have you heard about this? Maslow की theory सुनी है आप लोगों ने? इसके अलावा customer required आपका requirements and service quality and there are some other areas also, ठीक है. So the customer segmentations and others, they are generally part of this particular one, ठीक है. तो yes, हाँ, तो we will be starting with I have shared आपका PDF yesterday. Have you gone through those particular one, guys? The concept PDF I have shared yesterday itself. तो आप लोगों ने देखे हैं वो? Have you covered those particular one? Yes or no? And if I miss, I guess I miss only module D. That I'll update today itself, हाँ. If I miss module D, I'll share today itself, ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट आई हैव अपलोडेड आपका मॉड्यूल ABC फॉर द कॉन्सेप्ट वन, ठीक है. सो आई इफ एनीबडी हु लाइक इफ आई मिस एनीथिंग, प्लीज डू पिंग मी. आई जस्ट अपडेट द just after this session, not after this session. After this session I have one another session. So today I'll take leave for the 9 PM session. Not feeling that well, but हाँ I'll update that one, ठीक है. चलो तो शुरू करते हैं कार्यक्रम आपका, ठीक है. There are 2-3 areas. One is customer segmentation, another one is Maslow's hierarchy of need, and आपका third one is service quality and all, right? So very good evening to all of you guys, Pujari sir and Archana ma'am, and we have Ranjana sir, and आपका मुर्गन sir. Very very good evening. हाँ, which one आपका Indra ma'am? I have shared yesterday only, right? Yesterday you got that one. Your yes or no? Yesterday only I have shared for module A, B, C, I guess, in all batches. If any batches mess, na, I'll upload today itself. Right? Okay, okay. Haan, D I'll upload just after this session. No worries. So that PDF is ready. Only I have to send in the group itself. The first, आपका first question on your screen, guys. Retail banking product and process. Yesterday also we talk about these particular things. So what will be your correct answer? Okay, so when it comes to retail banking, it deal with primarily with individual and small group. A retail liability product include home loan and personal loan. That is also retail liability product. These are the retail asset product. When it comes to home loan and personal loan, these are asset product for the bank. Retail आपका asset product. KYC verification should be strictly conducted by bank staff and not third party agents आपका. That is also true. A retail loan follow a credit appraisal process similar to आपका this corporate loans and others. Retail loans are generally assessed using standardized scorecard model. No, sorry, the statement 4 is wrong. ठीक है, it is आपका, it is not similar to this. In case of corporate loans, we have some sort of आपका project appraisals and all. Here we have आपका individual basis, because here we do project to project appraisals. Here we have individual as a one. ठीक है. Retail loan are generally assessed using standardized scorecard models आपका. ठीक है, that civil score and others. True. तो 135 means 1 3 हाँ, option A only will be right answer for this particular one. ठीक है, not all the statement, only A will be right answer for this particular one. So statement 2, which is incorrect here, home loans and personal loans are retail asset product. Fifth one is retail loans follow a scorecard based approach, unlike corporate loans that need detail credit appraisals and all, and even that is also आपका product to product as well, right? चलो, next one. हाँ, this is something you'll definitely see one question around the classification of the customers आपका. So we have mass market, mass affluent, we have high net worth individuals, we have super affluent, super high net worth individuals, and ultra high net worth individuals, right? So these are the classifications आपका. So first question, which of the following statement is true regarding customer segmentation in retail banking? Customer segmentation in retail banking. Bank segment customer primarily based on their geographical locations. Then second one is mass affluent segments include customer with annual income between 10 lakh to 50 lakhs. Okay. Third statement, retail banking product are primarily designed to cater ultra high net worth individual customer segments. Fourth one is customer segmentation help bank target the right product to the right customer. The income level of a customer does not affect the type of banking product they require. तो क्या होगा correct answer? What will be your right answer for this one, guys? The first statement, आपका the segment customers primarily focus on geographical. No, ठीक है. We like, let's say saving account, which is a retail आपका banking product, which is universal kind of आपका for the entire bank. ठीक है. So we are selling a same set of product to all. It is not based on आपका, basically when it comes to segmentation, we do segmentation based on income, not based on आपका location or geography, right? The mass affluent segments आपका which is 10 to 50 lakhs आपका, ठीक है, that is true. Mass affluent is 10 to 50. Mass market is 2 to 10 lakh. We'll come to this chart. Retail banking products are primarily designed to cater, when it comes to retail banking, they are mostly for mass market, or it can be for mass affluent, but the ultra HNW, or which is high net worth individuals, they are rarely, because they are limited in numbers and all, okay? So this should be wrong. Fourth one is customer segmentation help bank to target right product for right customer as per their income group and all. The income level of a customer does not affect the type of banking product they require. It does. Okay, so let's say if a person is earning 1 crores or if a person is earning 10 lakh, so there is a huge difference, right? So 2 and 4 only. 2 and 4 means option B. What happened, guys? What happened? आप लोगों ने ये पढ़ा नहीं क्या? You guys haven't touched this particular one. If not, then I'll come up with the different strategy. I'll include the content part first आपका, ठीक है, so that you can prepare well. So because bank segments customers based on the income, not based on this. Second one is mass affluent segments include the individual between 10 lakh to 50 lakhs. Retail banking products are mostly structured for the segments. Mass market and mass affluents, they are the major आपका target areas. The next one is income label play a significant role while we divide the customers. ठीक है, this chart is very very important one. This will give you half marks in your upcoming examination. ठीक है, or else it can be part of the statements आपका, ठीक है, and this get asked every time. So please आपका please do take care about this particular one very well. And it get asked आपका it get asked many times, so please do take care about this one, ठीक है? हाँ, okay हाँ Indra ma'am, definitely. Sorry, today I got some fever and all, so I thought कि I have shared PDF, so it will help. No worries, I'll cover 4-5 topic only today, and I'll one thing what I can do, I'll record the areas, or I'll give you the proper defined areas. Then from the next topic onwards, as we did yesterday also, I'll be including the same things and all, ठीक है? All right, चलो next one. Pavitra ma'am, I'll be uploading. I have uploaded in that app आपका material section, ठीक है? Please do check there, or else do ping me on app. Just after session I'll share with you. So this is the categorization आपका. This is the categorization. So 2 lakh to 10 lakh आपका, they are generally categorized as mass market. 2 lakh 10 lakh to 50 lakh आपका mass affluent. 50 lakh to आपका 400 lakhs or crores. 4 crores means आपका super affluents. Then आपका high net worth individuals, super high net worth individuals, and ultra high net worth individuals, ठीक है? So this get asked many time in your examination, so you have to be very careful around this one, ठीक है? So please do take care about this. Now next one, before coming to this question, I'll help you out with the have you heard about Maslow's hierarchy of need? So when it comes to Maslow's hierarchy of need, ठीक है, so we have a theory which is called Maslow's hierarchy of need. Just give me 2 minutes, so I'll explain you the first. Okay. So as per Maslow's hierarchy of need, people, they have the need of people that is further categorized among 5 different areas. Okay. These 5 type of needs are, so first one is आपका physiological need, which include, basically it is a need theory आपका for the motivation. It is a motivation theory. So as per Abraham Maslow, people, they are generally categorized among 5 different areas. First one is their physiological need, ठीक है? Physiological need is basically the need which is for the food, shelter and others, ठीक है? Then we have second type is your safety need, ठीक है? So when it comes to safety need, it include areas like job security and others. Third one is your social, which is also known as love and belongings, where individual, they start making families or friends and others. Then we have esteem need, which is related to your job promotions and others. Then we have self-actualization, that is related to your आपका anything or a person who what they can achieve best in their life. So this is the final stage like आपका where what we can achieve best in our life. So that is something आपका this hierarchy is generally known as Maslow's hierarchy of need. ठीक है. So these are the 5 different type of need. Now we do have application of this particular theory in our daily business or in our banking business also. Again, very important one question for sure for 1 marks or 2 marks, ठीक है, where they'll give you some sort of आपका bifurcation, and based on that bifurcation you have to find out कि which product comes under which category. Like how they'll ask you question कि car loan or home loan is categorized under which need of Maslow's hierarchy of need. So you need to be that much comfortable with these particular one. Getting my point, guys, everyone? So we have 5 label need. Aapka first one is physiological need. So as per the customer's categorization, if a customer who generally categorize under the physiological need, so they have these banking requirements. If a person who is categorized under आपका security and safety need, they have these kind of requirements from the bank. And third one is आपका if this person is categorized under the social need, so they have these kind of categorization. Now I'll show you the question how they generally ask question. But जैसे physiological, the basic label need, ठीक है, core saving accounts, personal accident cover, housing loans, recurring fixed deposit product. So these are till here. So these are generally comes under your आपका physiological need. Safety, which आपका RD FD, so where they are going toward the savings and all. Life insurance product, tax planning, insurance and mutual funds. Customer, so these are the part of this security. Third one is आपका that is social need, customer loan, personal loan, home loan, car loan, loan for professional development for doctors, engineers, accountants and all. Insurance cover tag to above loans and retail gold loans. ठीक है, तो these are the one. So these are the first 3 need. ठीक है. Apart from this we have other also remaining 2. So esteem, so which is categorized when it comes to esteem need. So these are the areas. Health insurance policies. Life insurance is part of that previous one, that is social need. Here health insurance, sorry, that was आपका security safety need. Investment product like mutual funds, systematic investment plan, unit link product, special term deposit, term insurance product, and आपका second housing loan and others. When it comes to self actualization, it include areas like personal loan, retirement solution, and we have senior citizen. Last year question was based on the self actualization, and previous session question was based on the आपका social आपका need. But I cannot segregate कि they'll ask this only or this only. They can ask anyone, but you have to be very comfortable with this one. So basically what they are doing कि a person can, if a person belongs to this stage, so these are the requirements. Okay, when we are doing segregation of our customers, that segregation can be done based on the Maslow's hierarchy of need, and after identifying कि this person belongs to this stage, so these are the product which we should pitch to that particular customer. So that is something which is helping us for the आपका planning or even for cross selling and upselling. Understood? ये समझ में आया थोड़ा सा? Everyone, any doubt regarding to this particular one? If you are having any doubt, please do let me know. Pavitra ma'am, just you will be ma'am, no worries. Okay? Just follow these particular session and go through that concept PDFs and the unit wise practices and all. Okay? You will be, no worries. Vinay sir also, congratulations sir. All right, chalo. Now I'll show you some questions. What type of questions they have asked in past? So something like this. First question is about the Maslow's hierarchy of need itself. Okay? So please quickly go through the question. क्या होगा आंसर गाइस? व्हाट विल बी योर करेक्ट आंसर? सो व्हाट वाज द सीरीज? फिजियोलॉजिकल, सेफ्टी, सोशल, एस्टीम, सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन. ठीक है, दे कैन आस्क बॉटम टू टॉप और आपका टॉप टू बॉटम, बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन और समटाइम दे आस्क लोअर लेवल नीड और अपर लेवल नीड. ठीक है, सो इट इज करेक्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ द मैस्लोज हायरार्की ऑफ नीड फ्रॉम मोस्ट बेसिक टू हाईएस्ट, मीन्स दे आर आस्किंग दिस आपका बेसिक टू हाईएस्ट. तो कौन सा सही बैठ रहा है? ओके, बी आपका फिजियोलॉजिकल नीड, सेफ्टी, सोशल. This social is also known as love and belongings. So please do not get confused. Esteem and self-actualization. Option B will be right answer for this particular question. Very good. The first question is something like this. Second question, when it comes to the stages आपका, ठीक है. चलो next question. So Sumit, a 30-year-old sales executive, has been saving for a while. Now he want to buy a car. So buying car. अब what they can do this time, जिस तरीके से वो पेपर डिज़ाइन करें, like let's say person A, person B और person C, they can give you आपका their different stages and they can ask you to find out कि which person belongs to which stage. Getting my point guys? समझ में आ रहा है ना? ठीक है, सो दे कैन आस्क यू समथिंग लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. तो दिस वॉज इन प्रीवियस टू पेपर्स दे हैव आस्क क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस. इस तरीके से जो क्वेश्चन फ्रेमिंग आपका हुआ है. तो आपका कार लोन्स कम्स अंडर विच आपका विच कैटेगरी? बताओ विनोद सर, इंदिरा मैम and other also. Just now we gone through this one na. It will comes under which category? Yes, Pavitra ma'am is saying C, Jasila ma'am is saying C. Very good. So it is आपका, it comes under the social need आपका. ठीक है, so social need, so this is the one. I hope you get this particular one and the entire question is driven by this chart only. ठीक है, so this is the chart which you have to remember very well. ठीक है. All right, so this is these two subtopic, very important. Another one is service quality. So statement about the customer service quality, this is something which can be done without even studying the concept part. Okay, so like you have to assume customer is the king, and accordingly you have to take the questions. So which of the following statement about the customer service quality are correct? If actual service is better than expectations, it will lead to customer satisfaction. Second one is reliability refer to the ability to perform the promise service, dependability and accurately. The third statement, empathy involve understanding the customer concern and offering quick solution without any communication. Okay. Fourth one is the tangible dimension include factors like appearance of physical facilities and communication. Providing solution not excuses is essential with handling customer concern. ठीक है, तो what you guys suggest? Okay, Vinod sir is saying option D will be right answer. Anyone else guys, what will be your correct answer? So first, when it comes to first statement, if actual service is better than expectation, it is called customer delight. ठीक है, it is not satisfaction is like let's say they have आपका given 5 rupees and the utility is आपका equal to 5. ठीक है, that is आपका satisfaction. Delight is like they have given 5 rupees and they got a utility of 7 rupees. ठीक, above the basically your satisfaction level. So this is first stage is called customer delight, not customer satisfaction. Reliability refer to the ability to perform the promised services, 100% true. Empathy involve the understanding the customer concern and offering a quick solution with communication आपका, ठीक है. So that is empathy is something understanding the, like, you are keeping yourself in customers shoe, right? So how they are, what should be their emotions and all, ठीक है. So you are dealing with that one. Tangible dimension include factor like the appearance of physical facility and communication material like your branch layout and others. Providing solution, not excuses, is essential when handling customer concern. Yes. So 245. 245 means option D will be right answer for this particular question. Understood? Any doubt aapka? If you are having any doubt, please do let me know so I can help you out with that particular one. Right, next one. I'll help you out with this quick revision, no worries. I'm getting ki, like, for maximum people, I guess this paper is completely new. So, which of the following statement is true regarding customer requirements from bank? Customer requirements from bank. So, customer expect bank to provide right product mix to cater to different customer segments. Bank focus on providing only in-branch services, disregarding e-channels आपका. So customer requirement from banks. Customer demand a structured process time across product with adherence to prescribed timelines. तो basically customer जिसको चाहिए कि like he should get treated as a prince, right, or king. A good ambience in bank branch is not important for the customer satisfaction. The next one is transparent dealing and clear communication should service charges are essential for the building customer trust. Okay? So what will be your correct answer? So customer expect bank to provide a right product mix to cater to different customer segments आपका. Bank focus providing online offline both आपका, ठीक है. Customer, we have diverse customers. Some are comfortable in आपका e channel, some are comfortable with branches. Customer demands a structure process time across product with adherence to the prescribed timelines. A good ambience is also matter, wrong. And transparent dealing and clear communication about the service charges are essential for this one, true. So 135 means option A only will be right answer for this particular one, correct? So 2 and 4 which are wrong in this particular case. Next one. Which customer segment is associated with income level above आपका 1,20,000 per annum? No, it is not 1,20,000. It is आपका, it is lakh, ठीक है. Sorry. It is not 1 lakh. It is आपका 1,20,000 lakhs per annum. Means आपका that crores वाला numbers, ठीक है. So it will be categorized under which? It is ultra high net worth individuals, ठीक है. Ultra high net worth individual will be right answer for this particular one. Yes. So 2 to 10 आपका, and this is ultra above 1,20,000 lakhs. Ultra, they are categorized under this particular one. The first unit आपका which was all about the customer and their areas. Now the next one, when it comes to unit 6 आपका, so product development process, product life cycle, product line of bankers. We have deposit product, liability product, asset product, and other product. Then we have new product developments, a new constraint in new product development or product management. Means when you are coming up with a new product and all, so the areas related to that particular one. So one by one. So statement regarding bank product in retail banking. A product in retail banking is combination of tangible and intangible elements. Second statement is your a bank product must continuously satisfy customer need and want to remain relevant to remain relevant. Yes. Next one, promotional strategies are more important than the product itself in retail banking. Promotional strategies are more important than आपका प्रोडक्ट आपका. सो व्हाट विल बी योर करेक्ट आंसर? ये तो बहुत आसान है, ठीक है. सो यस, सो स्टेटमेंट 1 and 2 आर ट्रू. एंड product is always important, okay? You cannot, like, what you will do with the wrong product, right? So option A will be correct answer for this particular one, okay? Just try your best. I'll definitely include aapka content because I can understand like people are facing bit challenges. No worries. Next one, product life cycle. This is similar to your business life cycle, okay? Business life cycle, which we have studies in aapka economics, that ESI subject. So bit similar to that. Let's try. Jaidev sir, you only text me on application, na? Please do connect me just after this session, huh? Just do call me. You have my number. So next one, आपका product life cycle. In the introduction stage, when you are introducing a new product, sales is high, profit are substantial. आगे पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, I guess. In growth stage, when a product, like, cycle is similar आपका, ठीक है? This is, we have a business cycle. So this is similar to this also, right? So this is आपका initial stage, the beginning आपका. This is your आपका growth stage, ठीक है? Then we have, this is your saturation point. This is your decline, ठीक है? So this is the stage, life cycle of a product, right? So in growth stage, consumer awareness increase and product may start generating profit आपका. Third statement, the maturity stage where sales volume peak and the customer base is widened. Okay, so they have added maturity also, the maturity and saturation. Saturation आपका stage market marked by a decline, team. This is stage आपका, which is saturation, and due to high marketing cost and others. Decline stage, if not addressed, the product may face. If not addressed means if you do not handle this decline, the product will vanish from market, or you need आपका innovation at this particular stage. If you want to आपका stay competitive in market, so you need some sort of innovation at this particular stage. So all product necessarily pass through every stage of product life. It is not necessary. Some product is having growth to next growth to next growth आपका, right? तो first statement is incorrect. When we introduce product, this is आपका kind of introduction in the market. We are creating awareness in others, ठीक है? But when it comes to the sales numbers and others, they are lower side, ठीक है? Sales is low. We are trying to meet आपका break even points and all, ठीक है? So during this particular stage. In growth stage, awareness increase, product start generating profit आपका. This is true. Now you are above the break even points in everything. The maturity stage is the where sales volume peak. So this is the stage where sales volume at are आपका highest. Saturation stage marked by decline in profit due to high marketing cost. It is not related, it should not related to high marketing cost, because during this high marketing cost is usually आपका introduction marketing cost comes under during the introduction and growth, because here you have already well established. So it can be related to competition and all, not related to marketing cost. Now competitors, they also get established in the market, not the marketing cost. Because initially we do the marketing not at this stage. uh, Basically the cost of marketing is high during that initial stage, because we have to create the awareness. In the decline stage, if addressed, the product may face complex withdrawal. If you do not face this, आपका do not innovate or handle this things properly, so it will आपका come down. Or else if you innovate आपका, so it will have a, we can handle the situation. So this seems true. All product not necessarily follow this one, so sometime they can have some other areas and all, right? ठीक है, तो what which fit best आपका in this case? 235. 235 means option A only will be right answer for this particular question. The introduction stage has low sales and is not profitable. We are fighting to meet the break-even points. Fourth statement, saturation lead to stagnation due to competition and आपका indifference is not आपका due to marketing cost. Sixth one is not all product go through the every stage आपका, ठीक है, कुछ प्रोडक्ट होते हैं they initially failed आपका, and some product they may आपको go in that same direction and all, right? चलो next one. True regarding saving bank account and branding in retail banking. Saving bank account and branding in retail banking. Please go through this. This is आपका purely from PPB. Okay, JAIIB Sir is saying option B. So RBI mandate all saving bank account must allow unlimited withdrawal. No, there is no as such no mandate for unlimited withdrawal आपका, ठीक है. तो first statement itself wrong. The relationship between bank and saving account holder is contractual and fiduciary, where the bank act as trustee. It is आपका कॉन्ट्रेक्चुअल एंड फिड्यूसरी. नो, क्या था हमारा रिलेशन आपका, बताओ? डेटर एंड क्रेडिटर्स आपका, ठीक है. सो डेटर एंड क्रेडिटर्स, वी हैव अ रिलेशनशिप ऑफ डेटर एंड क्रेडिटर्स, सो इट शुड बी रॉन्ग अगेन आपका. बैंक एक्ट एज ट्रस्टी, दैट इज फाइन, ठीक है, बट दिस इज नो. हाँ, this I have to check, but this should be debit and credit. Sweep in and sweep out facility offered by bank allow automatic transfer between saving and term deposit to optimize the return. Sweep and sweep out facilities, like let's say current account and overdraft balance and others, they can have these kind of things. So you know na, sweep in sweep out, like let's say a person having current accounts and we have given overdraft. So let's say they are using that overdraft. So let's say let's say they use overdraft of 5 lakh. So once their current account will get credited, we'll sweep in this money to here itself, okay? And they can withdraw also. Sorry, where it is when. Next one, in banking, corporate branding refer to strategies focus on enhancing recall and recognition of specific banking product. In banking, corporate branding strategy refer to आपका focus on नहीं, when we do the marketing ना, our target is कि customer should remember that bank, not to the product and all, ठीक है. That the channel is product, but we do the branding आपका for the bank, not for the specific product. Augmented product require stronger marketing strategies compared to core product to ensure their success in the competitive retail market. This should be true. So 3 and 5 do we have? हाँ, तो D should be right answer for this particular one. ठीक है, D should be right answer. अच्छा, that sweep in sweep out. जयदेव सर is saying आपका sweep in sweep out is headache for the bankers due to CBS आपका. Alright, चलो next one guys. This is something very easy, and I guess they did not ask any question around BSBDA in PPB, so they can ask here. So first statement, BSBD account can only be opened with a minimal initial amount of 100 rupees. ठीक है, there is no minimum account आपका. First of all, it can be with आपका zero balance also. It's a zero balance account. So first statement is wrong. BSBD account subject to KYC norms issued as per the RBI guidelines. Yes. Small accounts can open if the customer possesses at least one officially valid account. Then it can be the normal account. Why small account? ठीक है, तो it is small account is without officially valid document, for without officially valid account holder document holders. ठीक है. Fourth one is foreign remittances are not allowed in small accounts. Yes. Maximum aggregate of credit in a financial year is 1 lakh. At a time 50,000, transaction 12 1,000 1,000. For small account holders fail to provide KYC documents within 12 months, the account will be blocked permanently. So this is also true. Small account providers 12 months, the account with this. It is आपका, it should be blocked and account will be blocked permanently after 24 months, जितना मेरे को ये याद है. ठीक है, ओके. नेक्स्ट वन इज आपका BSBD accounts can be open in non-CBS link branches, but it require manual monitoring. No, first of all they must be open in आपका CBS operated branches only. ठीक है, and they require monitoring also. So this is also wrong. तो क्या है आपका 2, 4, 5, 6. अच्छा, both options are true here. ठीक है, हाँ. तो any of these two आपका can be right answer for this particular one. I just want to check this. हाँ, statement 6 था ना. Yes. State if a customer does not provide KYC document within 12 months, the account will be blocked, but it can be reactivated if documents are provided within 24 months. ठीक है, that make this statement आपका wrong. So a small कहाँ था 6. If a small accounts fail to provide KYC documents with 12 months, the account will be blocked permanently. No. अब यहाँ पे ना थोड़ा सा we'll make some changes. ठीक है, so the account will be blocked 24 months आपका. It will then after this it will permanently blocked. So we'll change this one. So now if we let's say if we erase this particular one, then आपका D will be right answer. ठीक है, I remember this 12 months or 24 months. So that is the case. ठीक है, please do remember this. Term deposit. Incorrect. You have to find out the incorrect statement. Huh? Term deposit offer higher yield based on the fixed period of deposit, interest depending on the depositor tenures. Second one is overdue deposit. They offer saving accounts. आपका they are related to saving accounts. A recurring deposit require monthly fixed contribution, and the interest earned paid out quarterly rather than the end of the terms. ठीक है, this is also true. नहीं. Third statement is also wrong ना. Monthly fixed contribution and interest earned paid out quarterly लिखा है. No, it is आपका for saving account. This is also wrong. ठीक है, at the maturity. Interest is paid out at the maturity. So 2 and 3. B should be right answer for this particular one. Correct? So both the statements which are wrong. ये तो पता है ना everyone, why you guys are not answering these questions. FDRD, other things, these we have discussed earlier also. All things we have gone through earlier also, and you guys have scored well in PPB, तो यहाँ challenge नहीं आना चाहिए. So a bank permitted to open an account in fictitious name, wrong. पहला. Second, the customer identification process CIP must be followed for all joint account holders, and all must subject to appropriate due diligence. Third statement, bank are allowed to outsource decision making process regarding the compliances with KYC norms. No, it is not allowed due to risk factor. Fourth one, in case of officially valid document does not include an updated address, customer must submit a utility bill or municipal tax receipt as a proof of the address within 1 month. Within not 1 month, कितने months होता है आपका? Within 3 months. ठीक है, within 3 months. The video KYC VCIP is an alternate method for the customer verification, where facial recognition and live informed consent based on audio visual interactions used for the verification of customer details. As per the rule 114B, an individual opening an account with deposit exceeding 50,000 must code their PAN, except for minors whose guardian's PAN will be quoted. Next one, under the eKYC process, the Unique Identification Authority of India can transfer KYC data to the bank electronically, which is considered a valid method of verification. तो क्या बैठ रहा है? A. Indra ma'am is saying A and Jaideep sir is saying D. 2, 5, 6, 7. 2, 5, 6, 7. हाँ, A will be right answer. B is what? No, 1 is wrong ना. A bank permitted to open accounts in a fictitious name? No. ठीक है? So this is not allowed, right? The option yes. Option A will be right answer for this particular question. Next one, guys. So first, the centralized model of account opening, all stages from account creation to issuance of passbook and checkbook are done centrally. Second one, bank can accept eKYC verification by Unique Identification Authority of India, Uday, as a valid process for KYC verification under the prevention of money laundering rules. Third statement, all banks regardless of their nature are required to open term deposit accounts centrally. No, it should be at branch level. आपका ठीक है, branch level. Receipt being issued, it should be open at branch level only, na? At branch level, and receipt also at branch level. Second line is true, but first line is wrong. KYC form must be obtained as annexure to the account opening form, but they are not required to include details such as customer nationality and all. That is also threshold for the transaction is set accordingly. The next one is central KYC record registry is maintained by RBI, and bank must upload KYC for new individual account 17. That is also true. ठीक है, तो 1 2 5 6 1 2 5 6 option D will be right answer for this particular question. ठीक है, तो option D टू आपका statements 3, most bank open term deposit account at branch level and issue receipt is also at branch level. The KYC form required more comprehensive detail including nationality, credit card details and others, whichever is required for the security and all, right? Next one. Then next one. तो correct regarding new product development and product life cycle. Very, very important one. So the success of marketer is ensure long-term survival lies in accurately identifying the stage of product life cycle and promptly promptly launching new product, and that entire introduction phase during the decline of the existing product. The success of marketer is हाँ फर्स्ट वन शुड बी ट्रू आपका, ठीक है. सो इफ देर इज आपका डिक्लाइन इन द एग्जिस्टिंग वन, वी कैन गो विद द न्यू इंट्रोडक्शन इज प्रोडक्ट दैट आर in the maturity phase of their life cycle cannot be replaced. They can be replaced by new product. As they continue to provide steady revenue. So we need innovation आपका, ठीक है. If you want to continue, it should be with innovation, ठीक है. Without innovation, they will get replaced in the market. Third statement, technological advancement such as transition from the analog to digital media can lead to the phasing out of product, but companies must innovate to avoid stagnation and maintain market leadership, right? So 1 in 3 means आपका option B should be right answer for this particular one. Correct है, बिल्कुल सही तन्मय सर. So statement 2, because even maturity phase product can be replaced or phase out by innovation team. The maturity phase is not a guarantee of indefinite revenue without changes or innovations, without change or innovation, right? So this is our आपका introduction phase. Then we have growth, maturity and decline. Introduction, where we are introducing that particular product for the very first time in the market. Growth, where we have start generating revenues and we are start capturing the market and all. Maturity is like our sale is at peak and we need to innovate at this particular stage so we can have one another growth chart. Okay? If you will not innovate, your competitors will आपका capture the market. Okay? So that this stage, innovation at this stage is very important. Otherwise, we'll enter into a decline phase in others. ठीक है. So now before coming to another question, stages in new product development. ठीक है. So whenever we are coming up with a new product, ठीक है, so what are the stages which generally get involved in that particular one? So it start with the आपका idea generation. ठीक है. So the very first stage is idea generation कि we want to start with a new product called X आपका. ठीक है. Then we want to आपका we want to generate a new product or launch a new product which can solve a problem called X. Okay? Now to solve this particular problem, we have, let's say, multiple alternates आपका. This can be solved through A, product B or product C. So then we have to screen these आपका A, B, C. Then we have to find out the best alternate. Let's say we have selected A. Then concept testing आपका, ठीक है, like in regulatory sandbox and others, they help us in this one, ठीक है, in case of banking business. So we are testing those particular product आपका, we are doing test at a small level and others, ठीक है. So then we have business and market analysis, how that particular product is responding, ठीक है. Marketing test, communication and others, then we launch that particular one. So overall, whenever we introduce any new product, the process for that particular product development is something like this. So idea generation, which is start with the problem, कि what problem we are going to solve. To solve that problem, you have multiple options. So you have to screen those particular one. Screening is something like, let's say you have 3 alternates. You have some existing product, they are similar to this one, okay? Or your existing product is similar to A. If we do some add-ons आपका, so that will perfectly solve this particular problem. So you can go with that particular one, or maybe that problem is completely new. That type of services you are not serving as of now, okay? And there is no one who is providing that kind of services. Then also you can make your decision and all. So you do the some sort of concept testing कि हाँ, if this will happen, so it will work or not in others. Then you develop or build your business and marketing analysis where you are going to launch that particular product and all. Then आपका product development testing, and finally we launch those particular product or develop those one. So similarly here also, stages in new product developments are true. Let's try once. So first statement, new product idea can only generated from external market research and the customer feedback. It can be internal also, ठीक है? Your bank can also create those type of things, right? Second one, idea screening involve evaluating whether new product align with the company's existing infrastructure and business line. As we tested our product A out of 3 alternate A, B, C. In concept testing, feedback is gathered solely from it is आपका we create a real market like scenario, ठीक है? So internal, external both. Fourth one, business analysis and market analysis focus on evaluating the product viability from both a financial and customer retention perspective, to cost effective, as well as how we can retain customer or how we can do some sort of cross selling we can offer that particular product as a upselling in our with our existing customer base and all. Actual product development stage is purely based on data generated from market analysis, no consideration from customer feedback. Customer feedback is important because eventually they are going to we are going to serve them only. The next one is test marketing involve launching the product is selected in selected market, gather for further insight जैसे regulatory sandbox आपके हैं, ठीक है, then go for the full scale. Success of a new product developed depend on how effectively customer ideas are converted into profitable product that align the business goal आपका. That is also true. So 2467 means option A will be right answer for this one. Very good, Kavita ma'am and Tanmay sir. Yes, so A will be right answer for this particular one. Chaitanya sir, correct here. A regulatory sandbox is something like, let's say this is आपका RBI, SEBI and all these have come up with a kind of a testing model, ठीक है, to protect the bank and financial institution. Like let's say as a bank, if you are coming up with a new product, earlier what was the case? कि you are coming with a new product, you are preparing that particular one full-fledged and you are launching in market. Like you can take a case of SBI. So SBI or some A1 another bank who come up with आपका फ्लोटिंग रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, ठीक है, दे कम अप विथ फ्लोटिंग रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन डिपॉजिट मीन्स सेविंग अकाउंट्स एंड अदर्स. Now they did आपका lots while you coming up with a new product. Let's say we have designed a product, so to design that particular product, to market that particular product, so there is lots of cost involved in that particular one. Eventually when we launched that particular product, there was no customer acceptance for that one, so that is a huge loss for the business, ठीक है. So to deal with these kind of strategic risk and all, regulatory bodies they come up with आपका regulatory sandbox. So where you can, let's say if you are coming with this kind of things, so this will help you, this will provide you a platform where you can test that particular one at a smaller phase. So if that particular product was successful, so you can roll out entire you can roll out that particular product आपका full fledged. That is the kind of things. Tanmay sir. Regarding the constraint in new product development in bank, so next one आपका resistance means like employees they have some sort of status quo, ठीक है, जैसे ये हमारे जयदीप सर हैं, ठीक है. So now bank is come up with a new product X आपका. So now bank is telling कि you have to sell this particular one, that is cross sell or upsell, ठीक है. So first as an employee we have some sort of resistance, we have a thought process कि यार the existing product is doing good, why you are coming up with this new complex product and all, ठीक है. तो resistance from staff can arise due to fear of increased workload and relocation हो सकता है, this is आपका true, ठीक है. तो first one is true. A wide and unwidely existing product range encourage bank to focus more on product pruning and then the development. A wide and widely existing product range encouraging bank to focus more on product pruning than development. This is also true when you are having like when you are basically dealing with the masses and all or catering आपका entire businesses team. Then we have ideation in a product development always lead to successful. Now how we can say always lead to successful? Sometime आपका there is a product failure also, ठीक है. तो 1 and 2 B should be right answer for this one. चलो ठीक है. Not all ideas can be converted into viable product, business potential. ठीक है. So it is sometime like we can have these kind of areas also. ठीक है. All right. चलो next one. Product policy in banking are correct. So product policy involve decisions such as product differentiation and packaging. Second is all customer segments should be offered customized product regardless of the business potential. We have to consider business also. The third one is appraisal of existing product help phase out outdated or underperforming product आपका. Yes. Product differentiation is only possible when no other bank offer similar feature आपका. ठीक है. No differentiation, like in that case you have monopoly. So how it can be differentiation? Differentiation is when we are having multiple product. So what is the USP of your product which make others, like that particular product differ from others आपका, right? USP stand for unique selling proposition आपका, that is true, which highlight a specific advantages of product. Ki this is my USP, this is their USP, right? Which basically differentiate one product from others आपका. Next one, positioning is about selecting USP that can lead to higher sale आपका. How you are marketing your आपका USP, that is very important. And if it is placed well, so that how you are placing that particular one, that is आपका positioning. Branding has no significance. It has, yeah, it does. Then too many product variants may confuse customer and require product pruning. This is आपका true. Bank can be branding strategies like giving catchy names to product and better positioning. Yes. तो कौन सा बेटर है सही? इंदिरा मैम इज सिंग ऑप्शन ए. तो 135 यस 6 और आपका हाँ बिल्कुल सही ऑप्शन ए ओनली विल बी राइट आंसर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन. वेरी गुड गाइज. यस हाँ पवित्रा मैम ए विल बी राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट वन credit scoring also. Credit scoring. So credit scoring, hope you remember this particular one. याद है? We have in INIFS we have done with आपका credit scoring or credit ratings. ठीक है. So here it is related to retail banking. So we have only credit scoring. ठीक है, like CIBIL और आपका 300 to 900 points or the others one and all. So the uses of credit scoring and how it help bank to make decision for the land to make lending decision in others, that is generally part of this one. ठीक है. So we can do it because we have discussed the conceptual part of this topic, right? Next session first I'll be including the conceptual part or especially those areas which are completely new for all of us. So related to credit scoring, credit scoring is statistical method used assess individual credit worthiness. The first statement is right. Higher credit score lead to higher interest rate. No. Lower interest rate. Credit scoring help bank to manage credit, market, business, operational risk. आपका a bank earlier relied only on their own customer experience for lending decision. Then we have centralized database and credit information agencies now help lenders to make informed decisions. तो 1345 means option B will be right answer for this particular one. करेक्ट है, आसान है ये, ठीक है. गेटिंग ये आई होप यहाँ पे कोई चैलेंज नहीं हो रहा होगा, ठीक है. चलो नेक्स्ट वन आपका करेक्ट रिगार्डिंग द क्रेडिट स्कोर. बताओ क्रेडिट स्कोर एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. 100% मतलब this 100% was INIFS, ठीक है. But now here as a like in retail banking, while you're delivering services to the retail customers, so you using these particular one, ठीक है, that is the case. A credit score is a 3-digit number represent the credit discipline of individuals based on their past credit 300 to 900, 3-digit. True है. आपका the Reserve Bank of India mandate CIC provide a free full credit reports once in every 6 month, ठीक है. कितना होता है आपका once in every year आपका, not 6 month, ठीक है. once in a year, not आपका 6 month. Next one is a credit score range 300 to 900 and is used by bank to assess the risk involved in the transaction. A score above 700 generally considered good by most of bank, though different bank may have different criteria. The RBI does not require that all credit information module like consumer, commercial be included in आपका credit information report for the borrowers, ठीक है. हाँ, it should be included for all ना. Yes, तो 134 means option A will be right answer for this particular one. Very good. So option A will be right answer for this one. RBI require that all credit information report include all available credit information across module, ठीक है. It is consumer segment और आपका the another one. Next one. This question is important. This is something आपका applicability of the credit score. Managing and maintaining a good credit score are correct. Amina ji, you can connect me on Telegram, ठीक है. Please do ping me on Telegram. I hope you are part of the Telegram group, so you can directly ping me, or else you can ping me on application. And I got many queries on application. I'll try to resolve tonight itself, ठीक है. And if anyone having anything urgent, just directly call me, or those who are on app. बिल्कुल इंदिरा मैम 100%. So first statement आपका credit utilization is important in managing your credit score, and using a smaller portion of your credit limits can help maintain a good score, ठीक है. Let's say you have limit of 1 crore and you are using 10 lakh only. That means this person is आपका the credit worthiness of that particular person is very good. Applying for multiple credit card within a short period improve credit score? No, it will decrease आपका. When you file loan application, even you are not getting loan, if you are applying also, that will decline your credit score, because once you will apply, once customer will apply for the loan or credit cards and other any things, it will directly go to the, it will trigger your आपका civil score. Because let's say you have applied with आपका bank A, they'll send this particular to this. Then you have applied with bank B, they'll also send it to this. So as many time you'll trigger this particular one, they'll understand कि हाँ भैया this person आपका need money beyond the capacity and all. A good credit score reflect financial discipline, including consistent payment of due. That is 100% true. The length of credit history does not affect the credit score. It is more it is more about the number of credit accounts you hold. No, length is very very important. Let's say if I have taken a loan for 10 years and I'm regularly paying that particular loan, so that will help to increase the credit score instead of आपका taking loan for 6 months then paying then loan then this, right? Frequent and unnecessary credit shopping is considered negative behavior and can lower the credit score. Yes, closing old credit accounts can benefit your credit score by reducing overall credit exposure. No, it's old credit accounts. If you are maintaining old credit accounts, that benefit your credit score by reducing your overall credit exposure. No, this should be wrong आपका. हाँ, this statement 6 should be wrong. Reason being, like old, if you are maintaining old credit accounts and if they are like payments are on timely basis and all, they help you to improve your credit score. Borrower are entitled to receive free credit information report once every calendar year to check their credit score and all. ठीक है, this is also true. तो 1357 तो option B should be right answer for this particular one. ठीक है, yes, very good Kavita ma'am and others. I guess Chaitanya ma'am got confused with this statement. Closing old account can lower your score by reducing your credit history length and increasing the credit utilization ratio. Please do remember this. This point is, you guys are bankers, so I hope you won't get confused with this. But normally this creates some sort of confusion, आपका, right? Chalo, one another question. This is kind of test of your INIFS also. So, Credit Information Companies (CIC) in India, as per the Credit Information Company Regulation 2005, CIC can obtain credit information only from financial institution, financial and non-financial both. First, next one is TransUnion Civil Limited, IFLIX, and Aspersion and आपका CRIF High Market Credit Services Private Limited are the 4 credit rating agencies in the country. Out of this, CIBIL, which get established in 2000, which was the first आपका rating agency in India. CIC is mandated to submit credit information to its members on monthly and at interval mutually agreed between CIC and the credit institution banks. According to RBI guidelines, CI, credit institution or regulated entities or banks may choose not to become a member of a CIC provided they do not provide any credit facility to the public. RBI guideline, credit institution may choose not to be a member. They have to have member, like it is not necessary कि you have to be member of all 4, at least one. ठीक है, you have to be member of at least one आपका. ठीक है, so that is the case. So this is wrong. Credit information report generated by CIC used primarily by the consumer to assess financial standing and can also negotiate lower loan processing fee and all. This is true. So 235 means option B will be right answer for this particular one. Bilkul sahi, very good. So all CICs, all regulatory entities or credit institution or bank are required to become member of CICs as per this one. Okay? But it is not all. We have 4 CICs. As a bank you need to be member of at least one आपका. ठीक है? That is mandatory. ठीक है? Next one. Correct regarding the credit scoring and troubleshooting errors in credit reports. Credit scoring help bank to determine the price for the risk involved in lending. Credit scoring help bank to determine the price for the risk involved in lending. Yes. A person cannot directly access their credit reports. They can by paying the fee itself, right? We can file the application. Third one, a mistake in credit scoring can occur due to confusion of name or the human input. It happens sometime. The next one is the control numbers is unique 9-digit number that track the individual credit report from the CIC database. That is also true. To resolve dispute in a credit reports, one must contact the CIC without involving the bank आपका. ठीक है? It should be with bank आपका. If it is complaint, so it should be through the bank only or the routed through the bank. So 134 means option A will be right answer for this particular question, right? Okay, so this is the one. A person can directly access their credit history report or credit reports by the requesting it from CIC. Fifth one is आपका dispute could be addressed with both the bank and आपका CIC resolution also. ठीक है? Alright, next one. Okay, चलो तो ये next session आपका I'll share this entire PDF. हाँ, if you want to go through, you can go through this one. So I'm not feeling that good, but I have to take one session for the regulatory bodies people today at 8 o'clock. That will be the final session. Then I'll see you tomorrow and I'll add that content part also. Module A, B, C I have already uploaded. If you get time, at least go through those particular one. D आपका I'll upload today itself. ठीक है? और this PDF also I'll share just after this. ठीक है? Indra ma'am, Tanmay sir and others. And those like JAIIB sir, you can call me just after 5 minutes. I guess you have some queries. And other people also, those who are watching on YouTube, I'll upload these particular one on the आपका material section. You can download from the concept PDF as well as your आपका concept PDF as well as your आपका MCQ PDF and all. So please go through these particular one and do revise things and do participate in module wise mock. So module A we have done yesterday only. So you can go with that particular one and you can revise things and all. ठीक है? Any query guys? And do not worry, if it will require, I'll add morning session also. Though we have आपका buffer time, but still if it will be required ना, I'll be adding morning session also so that we can have more time to आपका revise things and all. ठीक है? Done guys? Done? Chalo. So this is it from my side. Thank you for joining this session. Thank you for watching this session. I'll see you tomorrow at same time and we'll resume आपका module B and आपका the addition also. ठीक है? So please go through the things which I have already provided, and if anything else also if you require, you can directly connect with me, right? So this is it. Bye bye. Take care all. Have a